Hello, hello, it's Miss P. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Squeeze Your Butt, because there's a lot of fun happening here, and I'm excited you're here. And that's Val. Val's more refined. She comes from ballet. I come from New Jersey and a dirt road with turkeys. Anyway, on a good note, we've got a really cute combination to the masmoudi saghir balady rhythm. This is intermediate advanced, so join in with us. I'll break it down, but we're going to move quick. We'll start slower, and then we'll speed up. Ready, Freddie? Let's do it. All right, right foot, 1.5, squeeze, sit, tuck, lift, and roll. We have drop, kick, figure eight, again, drop, kick, figure eight, last time, drop, kick, figure eight, rond de jambe, hop, hop, drop, kick, figure eight, two more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last time, I love it a lot, and change, hold, combo 2, cha-cha-cha, we'll start on the right, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, back, ball, change, hold. Again, let's go again on the right, then we'll change to the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, ball, change. Nice. Let's change lead, left foot please, hop, hop, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, ball, change, hold. Again, please. Make sure you ball change and you hold. Squeeze the tummy in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. Nice. Let's put those two together, and then we'll add on. Ready, Freddie? Right lead. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop. Hip drop kick, figure eight, and change. Hip drop kick, figure eight, travel back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, ball, change, hold. Ooh! So that we can reverse it, start on your left lead, please. Tuck, lift, and roll. Combo 1 and 2. Here we go. Drop and kick, figure eight, change, drop and kick, figure eight, cha-cha back, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, ball, change, and hold. Yes! Let's add the next section. We just ended ball, change, okay? Right foot is up, yes? We'll start here. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, and hold. Beautiful. Let's do it a little faster. So we ended with the right foot, ball, change. The right foot is free. We cross in front, step, bump, and hold. Nice. Let's add a little contraction. The glute. Check me out. Right foot ball, left foot change, right foot free, cross. Step, glute, step, glute, step, glute, step, glute. Yeah. Let's do that now on the other lead. Left foot ball change. We have ball change and step. Glute, step, glute, step, glute. Last time and hold. One more time, but let's go a little faster. Left lead. Left foot is up. Ball change, step, bump, and hold. All right, little nuglets. Let's put it all together. Ready, Freddie? 5, 6, 7, and hip drop kick, figure eight, hip drop kick, figure eight, take it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, ball change, and step, it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, back and change. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, hip drop. Let's go. Hip drop kick, figure eight, figure eight. Hip drop kick, figure eight. Take it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, back ball change. And step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, hip drop kick, figure eight. You got me? And change, drop and kick, figure eight. Take it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, back and change. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, hip drop. Let's go. Show me your best. Show me your best. Roll it, hop, hop. Show me your best. Yeah, baby, roll it. Cha cha back, cha cha cha, cha cha cha. Ball change and step and touch, hip drop. Here we go. Drop, kick, figure eight, figure eight. Drop and kick, figure eight. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and touch. Again, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll it, hop, hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back, change. Step, bump. Let's do it one more time. Hop, hop. Drop, kick, figure eight. Hop, hop. Drop, kick, figure eight. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back, change. Step, touch, last time. Here we go. Drop and kick, roll it, hop. Drop and kick, roll it, take it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and touch, and rest. Nice job. About to die. Can't breathe. Wine. She's getting wine. Water, girl. Good job, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You can also join my channel. I've got memberships. Support your teacher. Keep her off the pole and out of the Home Depot parking lot. Love you. See you later. Oh, and there's Val.